Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a sustainable brand with Patagonia, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Research Patagonia's core values and mission statement to understand their commitment to sustainability. Analyze Patagonia's product offerings and identify the materials they use, focusing on organic and recycled materials. Examine Patagonia's supply chain practices to learn about ethical sourcing and fair labor practices. Create a brand identity that aligns with sustainability and resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. Develop a business plan outlining your sustainable practices and how they differentiate your brand from competitors. Source suppliers who prioritize eco-friendly materials and ethical production methods. Design products with longevity in mind, ensuring they can withstand wear and tear. Implement a transparent communication strategy about your sourcing and manufacturing processes. Establish a take-back or recycling program, similar to Patagonia's Worn Wear initiative, to encourage product life extension. Engage with your target audience through storytelling that emphasizes your brand's environmental impact. Build partnerships with environmental organizations to enhance your brand's credibility and visibility. Utilize social media platforms to promote your sustainable message while highlighting your products. Monitor your brand's performance and gather feedback to continuously improve sustainability practices. Stay updated on industry trends and innovations in sustainable fashion to adapt your brand accordingly. Aim for certifications that validate your sustainability claims, such as Fair Trade or B Corp status. Create a community around your brand by fostering interactions with customers who share similar values. Make sure to educate your consumers about sustainable practices and the importance of making conscious choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.